The presidential diamond rank is the highest rank. You can actually hit it multiple times, and people have, and so that's a lot of moolah. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here, and today we're going to talk about how to achieve the presidential diamond rank in doTERRA and what that's all about, so we're going to break it down. Alright, so in a nutshell, before you even, check this video out, make sure to check out my other videos. Links will be in the description on all the doTERRA ranks, so you can get that bird's eye view, because when you hear this, you're going to be like, oh snap, what the heck? So, but yeah, this is going to be important to keep in mind, and so the doTERRA Presidential Diamond Rank is the highest rank you can get in doTERRA, and it is made up of 6 platinums. And then when you take one of those platinums and break it down a little bit, each one of those platinums is made up of 3 silvers. And each one of those silvers is made up of, we take one of those silvers, is made up of 3 elites. Boom, boom, boom. Alright. So that is that. And so when you add them all up, so you got the Presidential Diamond, you got the 6 Platinums, you got the 18 Silvers, and then you got the 54 Elites. So a doTERRA Presidential Diamond has a lot of team members, a lot of people doing the business, and helping a lot of people along the way. That's right. And so that is the, again, highest rank you can get in doTERRA. On average, it changes with regards to the yearly annual amount, and a lot depends on how big your team is and everything, but it's about $1.3 million in annual income. And I will have the income disclosure down below, because results not typical, right? Not everyone is hitting Presidential Diamond, but for those who have, they have helped a ton of people, and it's typically in the hundreds of thousands of people. And so that income is not only, deserved, but it is a part of helping people. So as you help more people, the income rises too, and they've definitely done so. And so there's some principles to keep in mind with regards to any leadership rank, but I also keep this in mind with my own team. And one is you move towards people that move towards you. That means you're not chasing people down, you're not hunting them down. You initiate conversation and reaching out to either build a relationship, grow a relationship, or start one, and then depending on if that team member or customer, whoever it is open to that, then you just have a dialogue. And it should not be about pressuring people, it should be about helping people when they're ready. Keyword, when they're ready. Keywords, I guess. Alright, the next thing is talk to the next person. So how do you solve most problems in doTERRA? I get emails from other team members on different teams like, hey, how do I grow my business? It's like, well, the easy solution, and the one that will solve most problems in your doTERRA business, is talk to the next person. There's plenty of other fish in the sea, as you've probably heard that saying, typically in a romantic sense, but it's also more to keep in mind with regards to finding wholesale customers and wellness advocates, or even retail customers as well. And so there's lots of people out there that need help with their health, and we're there to help. Okay. And the last principle that I always keep in mind, it's called, you can call it a lot of things. I call it SW to the 4th power, or you can call it SW, 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 SW. And that's some will, some won't, so what, someone's waiting. So, with that being said, some will become a wholesale customer or wellness advocate, or even buy retail, which is cool. Some won't. Okay, it wasn't a good fit, or they're not ready, whatever the reason is. So what? Right? Someone's waiting. And so there is somebody out there that is, looking for natural solutions, is open to using essential oils, and is ready to make a purchasing decision. They just need to find somebody that they know, that they like and trust, and maybe they need to know, like, and trust the company and the products as well, so there may be some education involved as well. And so I know that's what I focus on, is the education side, because I know that an empowered consumer and an educated consumer will make better decisions with their health for themselves and their families as well. And that's something I always try to keep in mind too when I'm working with other folks in different arenas of the world, in different sales positions, whether it be like cell phone people or car people or house people, or when you're at the mall, like people in sales positions. It's important to be able to have that training to say, like, here, I know what I'm looking for, I know the value of something, and I just am trying to figure out if the person, product, and company is a good fit. And so I think there's a little bit of self-awareness from a consumer standpoint that's involved, but also, timing. Just to summarize and recap, the Presidential Diamond rank is the highest rank. You can actually hit it multiple times, and people have, and so that's a lot of moolah, right? But beyond the moolah, it's about helping a lot of people and letting the money follow that, right? And so the focus should always be helping people. And because doTERRA is such a product-based company, that is definitely the case. There obviously is teams and individuals that may not have that focus, but I know from a company culture standpoint, that's definitely the case. And it certainly is for me. And then I also have a specialization on the whole food aspect because I believe nutrition is extremely important, and specifically plant-based nutrition. Alrighty. That again concludes it. Thank you so much for watching, and I don't know where that accent came from, but here's where I'm going with all of this. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for future video updates, and check out the links in the description below. I'll have more information on the other ranks, so you can be like, oh, okay, so here's how they progress, or here's what work is involved, and all that good stuff. Alright, we'll see you in the next video.